fucking idiot. Oh, someone kicked you. Wonder who. Maybe it was, I don't know. Why'd you do that? That's what I thought. You better run. You okay? You okay? You a good girl. Okay, now first of all, here's my favorite cat. He's the favorite. He's my favorite cat. Yeah. Pikachu. Then, beginning with you. I don't give a fuck. No. Beginning with you. I don't give a million things I'd rather even do. Begin with you. I don't give a about you. I don't give a crap about you. I really shouldn't sing on camera. But, you know, my cat is so weird. My sister is weirder. You know how weird she is? She is the weirdest one in the world. She is dumb, stupid, a brat, a wild pack animal, and she doesn't even know how to play baseball. I mean, that's the dummy. Freaking the weirdest person I've ever met is her. But anyways, my cat just, love him. No.